Good day, everybody. Today we're going to do Lesson Plan 18, Grade 1, Term 2. Our topic is recognize numbers 30 to 39. Again, the focus is on recognizing, again, a very practical number where the Grade 1 learners only recognize these numbers. They don't have to write it down yet. Then your CAPS curriculum, your link, you can have a look at that. And then we're going to go to the resources and the dictionary. Resources, you can plan and prepare for it. And then the dictionary, again, a word or a phrase or a part of the work that you need to understand to help to support your learners and your children. So let's start then with the daily routine. So the daily routine, is with the daily routine, you're going to ask these questions, you're going to pause, and then we're going to carry on with the counting. Okay, we're back then with the counting. Remember, with the counting, always that we start with it with a concrete resources. So concrete resources where we're going to count it. Then for the representative level where we make use of pictures, you can use our SA Teacher counting library that you can find on the SA Teacher eStore.co.za. After you did this counting with concrete objects, we're going to give them the number range 0 to 20. We're going to give them any number, and what they need to say then, what is one more than that number, or what is one less than that number. So I want you to ask a few of these questions, but always remember the steps. That we're first going to do it with concrete resources, then we do it on a representative level by using pictures. You can even draw these pictures, and then what we're going to do is they're going to count, and we're going to ask them questions. What is one more and one is one less? Then we're going to go to the mental maths. You will see I'm not hiding the numbers here because I want you to ask it orally. So we're going to ask to show what is 3 less than these numbers. So what is 3 less than 7? What's 3 less than 3? So you're going to pause now, and you're going to do then the counting and the mental mathematics. Let's then start with the lesson. So remember, the focus is again on recognition. So here it also said that this lesson will only focus on the recognition of numbers 31 to 39. So what we're going to do is we can write these on the board. So what I show here is we write one number on the board, we point to it, we say this is 36. Then what we're going to do is we can write all the numbers or only a few of them in sequence, and then we're going to point to one number and ask which number comes before and which number comes after this number. And the children will answer 35 is before 36 and 37 is after 36. So I want you to pause here now and do this activity. Welcome back. Like I mentioned in the previous lesson, very nice to have these number cards, and especially that links to the beads. You could also use these beads in your counting activity, where they then count in groups of 10, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So first we're going to start revising the previous numbers, where you're just going to show and point to certain numbers. And then what we're going to do is we're going to point to the number symbols on the cards, and they need to recognize it. And then, like they did in the previous activity, where you're going to cut out numbers from magazines, or what you do is you just randomly write these numbers on a piece of paper, and they recognize it then. Then we're going to go to the levels. Again, a nice activity to do outside, and where we use our bodies. So what you do is you're going to write these numbers in the sand or with chalk on a concrete slab or pavement, and then they need to recognize these numbers. Then for the representative level, you're going to use your cards again. You might have done all of this already, so you just need to do it as a revision or extra questions in your lesson. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move to the worksheet. So the worksheet, you're going to answer these questions. You're going to complete your number line. Again, is you can cut from this worksheet or you can make your own little number cards to paste on here. Remember, the focus is on recognition and not for them to write the numbers. Then we're going to go to the problem solving. So if we go to level 1 to 3 again, you can see the problem solving that we have here. Very basic one, but again, this level we're going to show it on the concrete level, this on the representative level. Then we're going to come to the last bit, the consolidation. If they got all yes, we carry on with the next lesson. If they got some no's, you need to revisit certain questions, activities, or you need to contact us at SA Teacher.